Organization of financial function. So here the chart, organization chart I have given. So first board of directors are the main, it will be taken from the shareholders. Shareholders are the board of directors. So under them we can see managing directors. Then under them there are four departments, that is production manager, human resource manager, finance manager and marketing manager. So we can from this chart we will able to understand that is for financial planning and control, finance manager is responsible, and he plays an advisory role in all matters involving the finance. So first under finance management, there are two, treasurer and controller. So first we will see the function of a treasurer. So the main function of treasurer is to manage firm's fund. So first function is provision of finance. So he has to forecast the short term and long term funds which is needed for arranging or for meeting those needs by issue of securities and arrangement with the banks. Next one is investors relation. So it includes the rendering efficient services to the investors. So we know the investors are shareholders and debenture holders, and also maintain a cordial relations with the investors. It is very necessary. Next one is receivable management. So it is related with the granting of credit and collections of dues from debtors in times. Next one is cash management. So the treasurer, he have to maintain an optimum cash balance to meet the payment obligations without difficulties. Next one is investment. So investment, it is to make ensure that efficient utilization, and the finance manager, he has to arrange for investment of surplus cash. Investment in surplus cash as retained earnings. Next one is insurance. So insurance, we all know that it is concerned with the arrangement for adequate insurance coverage is necessary for each and every business. Next function is related to the function of a controller. So the main function of controller is related to the management and control of assets. So first one is planning and control. So planning and control of administration like budgeting, reporting systems, profit planning, everything is necessary. Next function of the controller is reporting and interpretation. That is, he has to establish a sound financial reporting system to meet the information requirements. Next one is tax administration, which is related to various tax laws, payment of taxes, tax planning, everything should be maintained. And also he is responsible for providing information required by the government in various financial matters. Then the last one is protection of assets. That is, the controller, he has to design and maintain a proper system by using an internal audit for the protection of the firm's assets.